Are you tired of waking up with stiff, achy joints that make even the simplest movements feel like a struggle? What if I told you there's a natural way to bring back flexibility, comfort, and strength without relying on harsh medications? Today, I'll introduce you to Joint Genesis, a powerful supplement designed to keep your joints moving freely so you can get back to living life on your terms. Hey everyone, Henry here. If you've been looking for something safe, effective, and backed by real science to support your joints, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll break down what Joint Genesis is, how it works, why people are raving about it, and how you can get it risk-free. Joint Genesis isn't just another supplement. It's doctor-formulated by Dr. Mark Weiss and developed by the team at Biodynamics to target the root causes of joint stiffness and discomfort. The unique formula goes beyond surface-level relief. It helps restore the natural cushioning and lubrication your joints need to move smoothly. The star of the formula is Mobili, a clinically backed blend of hyaluronic acid, collagen, and polysaccharides. These work together to replenish synovial fluid, the oil for your joints. Add to that Boswellia serrata, known for centuries as a natural anti-inflammatory, ginger root for comfort and flexibility, and French maritime pine bark extract to support healthy circulation and joint tissue. To make sure your body absorbs it all properly, bioperine, a black pepper extract, is included to supercharge absorption. As we age, our bodies naturally produce less hyaluronin, the molecule that keeps synovial fluid thick and cushiony. Without it, joints lose lubrication, friction increases, and stiffness and pain begin to creep in. Joint Genesis replenishes these lost levels, bringing back the shock absorber function your joints desperately need. That means smoother, more flexible movement, less stiffness in the mornings, and better comfort during everyday activities. From walking upstairs to enjoying a long walk outdoors. Thousands of users have shared positive experiences, reporting noticeable improvements within just a few weeks. Many highlight reduced swelling, easier mobility, and even relief from long-term knee and hip discomfort. Some say they've returned to hobbies they thought were gone for good: gardening, hiking, even dancing. This isn't just about joint support. It's about regaining your freedom of movement. Joint Genesis is made right here in the USA in FDA-approved GMP-certified facilities. It's non-GMO, soy-free, gluten-free, and vegan-friendly, so it fits into almost any lifestyle. And here's the best part. It comes with an incredible 180-day money-back guarantee. That's 6 full months to try it out, completely risk-free. So if you're ready to give your joints the care they deserve and finally move with comfort and confidence again, click the link below to order Joint Genesis directly from the official website. Remember, don't risk buying from unknown sellers or third-party sites where counterfeits are common. Stick with the official source to guarantee you're getting the authentic product with all the benefits and the full money-back guarantee. Why wait? Your joints carry you through life. It's time to return the favor and support them today. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more reviews and health tips. Until next time, stay active and take care.